What's up? Happy New Year once again. If you haven't seen my last video, make sure you go like and share it right now. I'm picking some people. If they share it on their social media, I'm picking some people to give some cash away. Like I told y'all in a video, go comment your Cash App. All you gotta do is type in Tiffany Draper Cash App giveaway. I've done it several times on live. I got blessed with an unexpected second stimulus check. So I spent half my last stimulus check on y'all, and I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to put the link to the video in the description. All right. So yeah, unlike Melo, I'm not going to buy a game. I guarantee you she's going to use that $600 to go buy a game or something, or a new system or whatever. But let's jump right into it. Y'all know I got to start the new year off right. The only resolution that I have for this year is basically like being better with my health, and also trying to make at least one video a day for y'all. So it's not just going to be Melo, our cat, our Andrew, or anything like that. It's going to be entertaining. All right.
What's up, y'all? This your girl Melo. Made it to the hotel, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired.
Right off the bat, you said you're a tire. A Michelin tire. What type of tire are you? Like,
Thank you for everybody preparing for me and my family make it to Alabama. So we at the hotel right now, you know what I'm saying? Right now we eating pizza right now. Shit. We eating pizza. I got a pizza. Look what we got. Yeah, we eating pizza right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we at the
this is what I'm going to need y'all to stop doing. When y'all say, oh, I know that she just uploaded this video, it's because she had long hair. When has Melo's hair ever been long? Look at this. Look at this.
Right now.
If you cannot make a full ponytail that at least touches your shoulder, you don't have long hair. Will y'all stop it?
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're at the hotel. We're at the hotel.
It was at this moment I gagged. Like, I told her I'm going to try to do better for my health this year. But she already got me needing to pop Dramamine for nausea when I saw her on here looking like a double stuffed Oreo or a big fluffy pillow. A big marshmallow.
We at the hotel. We at the
with her Medea gown on.
Hotel. We at the hotel. We at the hotel. This the sink right here. See?
Who even shows off a basic hotel room? I can see if you was at the Four Seasons or some type of 5-star, hotel. But you literally at a motel. If you can drive up and then walk right in your door, that's not a hotel you need to be showing off if it don't have hallways. And who shows hangers?
This is the bathroom.
And this right here made me look at this.
This the sink right here.
If you didn't flush the toilet, 9 times out of 10 you didn't wash your hands either. Look at this. Who in their right mind, I gotta get a screenshot of this, would do a video and didn't even flush the toilet? Like, she just, if gross was a person, like, so unladylike. Like, you had one job. We know you don't work in real life, but you had one job. And that was to turn the camera on and make a video. And you couldn't even make sure the room was presentable. Seriously?
Nobody didn't flush the toilet.
And then get this, they eating too. She touching the toilets and didn't wash her hands.
This the tub.
You better got a ring around it.
Shower. You know what I'm saying? It's the tub. The toilet paper.
I've literally seen jail cells more fancy than this.
The shower curtain. Got the shower curtain. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Just the microwave. Oh, got the microwave. We have the refrigerator. Got our food.
Refrigerator.
Yeah. I got my bed. This is my bed. Yeah. And we go outside. Look at the picture. We got the picture.
Burping, all types of acid reflux.
Yeah. Okay. We go outside. Okay. Look, this outside.
I know she contemplating going down them stairs, but she already out of breath, so she don't need to be climbing them stairs to get back in there.
Is that Sandy? That's Sandy getting out the car. That's Sandy getting out the car. Hey, Mama! Yeah. That's my mom getting out the car. We at the hotel. Yeah.
What you doing? Chilling at the Holiday Inn. Then flush the toilet, but you about to go in on some peace.
Good night, everybody. Good night, everybody.
Who you with? A bunch of my other special needs family friends. What you doing? Who remember that Chingy song?
Yeah, there go Grandma.
What you doing? Chilling at the Holiday Inns. Took a piss, but I still wear the pins. What you doing?
Don't do that. I didn't put the camera at you. I'm just playing.
Remix. Ficky. Look at that dirt on her neck.
My grandma and my granddad here. We're about to go to bed. You know what I'm saying? Eat our dinner. Yeah. Once again, we got Papa John pizza. I got all the stuff on.
She got enough dirt on her motherfucking neck to build an anthill.
Yeah. Meat. Tomatoes. Yeah, so thank God we made to the hotel, and I'm about to crash. Tired. I got my pajamas on. See y'all later.
Pajamas. Not pajamas. Pajamas.
Alabama. Peace out.
OMG, y'all. Tell me what y'all think about this toilet mess.